nkuko nari nabibabwiye mbere ko Ashton Hall ashobora guhindura ubuzima Kagarara birangiye bibaye. Ashton Hall yahaye imodoka nshya Kagarara, nkuko bigaragara muri aya mashusho. Ashton Hall yajyanye Kagarara ahantu hari imodoka nyinshi, ubundi amusaba guhitamo, undi nawe ahitamo imodoka ya Ferrari. Iyo ubajije igiciro cy'imodoka kuri Google bakubwira ko igura ari hagati y'arenga miliyoni 270 z'amanyarwanda na miliyoni 449 z'amanyarwanda. Ibi bije nyuma y'uko Ashton Hall yiyemeje ko agomba gufasha Kagarara akagira abarenga miliyoni bamukurikira kuri Instagram. Kagarara afite ubumuga, ariko yemera ko kugira ubumuga bitavuze kudashobora.
Zekanize komeze neza cyane muri rusange. Umusore wacu Kagarara nyuma yuko yaramaze iminsi agaragaza daily routine yiwe ndetse akanataginga uyu mugabo bita Ashton Hall. Ashton Hall najye mubabwira inkuru nyinshi cyane muri uko nkuru ngeze kubabwira umwaka ushize ubwo yaragiye guhatana n'umusore wacu bita Ashton akaza kumutsinda cyane, bikaba ngombwa yuko no mugabo wacu asa nkaho anabuze gakeya, ariko yaramaze iminsi agenda azunguruka isi muri rusange. Ndagira ngo mwamubonye tuwa yakoreye mu Buhinde, ariko mbere yari yabanje guca mu gihugu cya Germany ndetse na Puerto Rico. Aha hose yagiye akora amateka by'umwihariko ngo mu Buhinde. Yafashe Ashton Hall wo mu Buhinde amuhereza impano $50 by'idolari, ubwo tubishyira amanyarwanda ni hafi $75,000, ndetse banamuzamurira views ndetse na platforms zose barazubaka. Ibi byose nibyagiye akora kandi hageze hose niko bigenda muri rusange. Arutahiyo rero ni umunyarwanda ukora ibiganiro bisekeje ku mbuga nkoranyambaga, ubwo n'umukomediye Enoke Uwizeye. Bigaragara ko izina Uwizeye naryo ricacambwa kuko niba munabyibuka neza na Rocky na witwa Uwizeye, bigaragaza ko abantu bitwa ba Uwizeye mujye mubareba mu batinye. Uyu Enoke Uwizeye wacu akaba asanzwe azwi ku mazina ya Kagarara cyangwa se Ashton Small. Izina akaba yarigizwe na Ashton Hall nyuma yuko aratangiye kujya agaragaza daily routine yiwe, bikagaragara nanone ko ari umukinnyi ukora cyane cyangwa se umusportif ukora cyane. So uyu nguyu rero yaje gura n'umunyamerika w'icyamamare mu myitozo ngororamubiri Ashton Hall, bahuriye mu gihugu cya Ghana. So nanone binago byapfuye kumwituraho gusa kubera yuko bije nyuma yuko uyu nguyu bita Kagarara yaramaze igihe akora amashusho asekeje agaragaza daily routine ye, ariko yo mu cyaro imeze neza cyane nk'iyo mugabo wacu bita Ashton Hall. Amashusho yaje gukwirakwira ku isi hose. Video ya Kagarara yasojwe n'amagambo agira ati Ashton Hall, this is Africa. Mu minsi 3 gusa aya mashusho yakusanyije like zirenga miliyoni 2 kuri Instagram, bituma Ashton Hall ubwe ayabona ndetse anashimira Kagarara uburyo arimo gukora cyane. Aya nawe yavuye amwita izina rya Ashton Small, noza kurira ku mbuga nkoranyambaga ze iri n'izina arimo gukoresha cyane. Amashusho yaje gusakara tariki 28 Kamena agaragaza Ashton Small akirwana Ashton Hall mu buryo bwuje urugwiro muri Ghana. Bombi bafata amafoto y'urwibutso ndetse banakora push up nkuko yabikoze kuri uno mugabo bita Ashton. Nafashe Ashton Hall nawe aramutsinda, ibintu byashimishije abantu benshi bari baraho ngaho. Ashton Hall wamaze kwemera Kagarara yuko uko biragenda kose muri no minsi mike bagiye kumarana agomba kuzuza miliyoni y'aba followers kuri Instagram nkuko byanagenze kuri Ashton Hall wo mu Buhinde. Ubu ngo akafite miliyoni 1,400 nkuko asanzwe nabigenza iyo agiye kugenda rwose guhindura ubuzima akagwa amafaranga afatika, ndetse nanone akabasha no kuguha imodoka nziza cyane. Ibi nabyo birimo kuvuga yuko ashobora kuza kubikorera no musore wacu bita Kagarara. Ariko muri video akomeje kujya hanze mu kanya gato nabonaga the new hit ba postings yumvikana muri umugabo bita Ashton Hall arimo kubwira Kagarara yuko imodoka asuye bakabasha kuzireba neza cyane, ati nizo bazaba barimo gutwara Miami. Bivuze ngo ashobora kuza kurangira uyu musore wacu atwaye Ashton Small wacu akamujyana Miami bakajya kurya ubuzima cyane, ko anamugira inama yo kuva mu ishuri agakomeza kwikorera content kubera ko ari izina rikomeye. Ikindi kintu cyo kwishimira n'uburyo uyu musore wacu Kagarara akomeza kuvuga ubwiza bw'u Rwanda ndetse agakomeza no kwambara ibirango bigaragaza u Rwanda.
We have volcanoes.
Volcanoes, yeah, he do.
Yeah, we have it.
You have it?
Yeah. Dang. There's a volcano called Karisimbi, Muhabura, Sabyinyo.
Really?
Yeah. That is the name of volcanoes that you find in Rwanda.
Somebody said we have gorillas too. Gorillas.
And gorillas. So, you see gorillas?
I love gorillas.
Yeah.
What they do? What they do? Energy.
What do you think?
That's fire.
Until it's too good. It's perfect.
No, it's dangerous.
Really?
It's not perfect, it's dangerous.
I mean, that's extra good.
That's extra good. Extra good, yeah.
Okay.
Dangerous means we're gonna eat too much.
Too much.
And then the next day we feel
some type of way.
when we look in the mirror, I'm like,
oh my god.
I put on weight easy. I put on
really? Me too.
You need to know that.
I do, thank you.
The hair, everything looks amazing.
Hey, thank you very much.
You're good where you're at.
Thank you very much.
Blessing.
Let's go into the watch it. So it has a stew, it has a spaghetti, it has a gari, it has an egg. Just enjoy.
This is meat.
So like meat sauce, yeah, with spaghetti, even bolognese vibes. But you need to try the wache though, not this one first.
Try what?
The wache, that's the
really?
rice. Yeah.
This is rice?
Yes. This is gari, that's not rice. It's cassava flakes. So there's no taste. So mostly we mix it. This is our chicken. So you see the difference? This gari is fried, this gari is steamed. And this is all from cassava.
Let's say.
This cassava, this is chili. We mostly pair this one with this one, with tilapia. So then there are sauces that you can eat it with. Then the wache, let me show you. You need to eat this one.
Oh, that rice. That's what you're talking
rice,
about.
exactly.
Oh.
That's the wache. Yep, exactly.
I'm a pro. I'm a pro
You're
now. We locked
to be
in.
honest. Have they given me a Ghanaian name yet? You need to try that too. Mix it.
Just like mama spaghetti? Fire. It's actually good.
You swallow it.
Swallowed already?
He's
Yeah.
an African man. You
Done.
swallow.
Done.
ASAP. That's how. So it's quick.
Try again.
Quick. Like that's how you do it.
You gotta try again?
Try
Do
again.
He
it.
said try again.
Yeah. Try
Okay,
one
bet.
last time. You cut. Oh my god. No. Yeah. Not bad. So you're cutting with your two, and you're supposed to cut like a scissors, like you cut exactly. Not bad. Not
Easy.
bad. Then into your mouth with the soup. Then you swallow.
Nice one.
Yeah.
Hey!
That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good.
Hey! Let's go. And this is the
So this
Ahinduriwe?
yes, this is the newest addition to the collection. This is a Lamborghini Revolto.
Oh, Revolta. My bad. The green with the orange is wow. What you think?
Amazing.
It's a Lambo.
Lamborghini.
Lamborghini. What's the price on this?
800,000.
800,000? That's cool. Cool. Ah, nigga, boy. Jeez.
Almost $1 million, right?
Almost a million.
Yeah.
How you feel? Like a champ.
Easy peasy.
Ah. Let's do it.
Feel though,
I feel good.
right?
I felt it. Thank you so much.